how to add pronouns to your Instagram bio. When you get into a fiction like this one, when you open up your profile selection on your account and you go edit profile, for example, right here, as you can see on the third selection, you have pronouns. From now on, you are going to be available to add up to 4 pronouns to your profile so that people know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove them at any time. You can also go learn more to get known about pronouns if you're not on your session. Also, I'm going to add pronouns, for example, this one. Yeah, just go on the thick side, but as you can see, it says no match font. You can add additional pronouns to your bio. Okay, right now I'm gonna go with stop, for example, and also it says that I cannot find any sites. But if I go, for example, he, yeah, here it is. You go he, and you go on the tick on your right upper side, and you go again on your tick. You're going to see that right now we have got our site selection, which is taking to my name site on my page or on my Instagram profile.